Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Einova Mundus. This is a UVC phone disinfector and QI wireless charger. Includes up to a 6-foot charging cable right here. Comes included with the package, an 18-watt wall charger for this unit right here. So this will QI wireless charge your phone, your Samsung, your AirPods Pro, your AirPods, whatever you have right here. And then inside, what you have is the disinfecting part of the package. So there are UVC lights right there, and you have other disinfectant product right there. Basically, you just take your phone, set it in here, close it up, and then here is a light right there on the front. And what that means, what happens is when that's charging and disinfecting, it says that you press the LED light to begin your cycle. The first quarter of the circle will begin to blink, signaling that it's working. After 2 minutes, the first quarter of the LED circle will stop blinking and remain on. So then the second quarter will begin blinking after 4 minutes. So you'll have half of the LED circle that will be steady on. And then 6 minutes, you'll have 3/4, and then so on. So after 8 minutes, you'll finally see that the lights have stopped blinking and that they're fully on, which means that it's done disinfecting your phone. So 8 full minutes, which is a long time to disinfect, but that means your entire device is fully disinfected. I will have more details in the description below, but basically you have a wireless charging option on top, and then you have the disinfectant option on the inside with the UVC lights here and some other lights over here. They also have a Mundus Pro, which can do 2 at the same time, but we like the smaller option. It's just called the Mundus from Einova. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.